大综合报道。
来关心国际消息，爱尔兰的总理瓦拉德卡20向宣布讲，因为伊个人的因素要辞掉总理，佮有党主席的位。瓦拉德卡是爱尔兰有史以来上少年总理，嘛是头一个公开姓上的总理。瓦拉德卡并无详细解说伊辞职的原因，干来讲即马辞职是上好的时机。
爱尔兰总理瓦拉德卡宣布辞职，伊表示领导国家是伊一生中上充实的时间，辞职决定无特别的原因，目前嘛无其他规划，也是拍算。若做接任的人准备好就任，伊家己就会辞掉总理的职务。
My reasons for stepping down are both personal and political, and after 7 years in office, I don't feel I'm the best person for that job anymore. However, politicians are human beings, and we have our limitations. We give it everything until we can't anymore. And then we have to move on.
瓦拉德卡表示，这段期间伊带爱尔兰为事业倾向充分就业，为预算赤字做甲预算有剩，为开销正暗变甲正富裕。不过伊嘛承认无逐项拢做甲正好。
There are areas in which we have been much less successful, and some in which we have sadly gone backwards.
这个月前，瓦拉德卡宣布家庭组成甲妈妈的家庭积极登记这两项修宪公投拢互公民否决，这对政府来讲是一个重大失败。
I was very surprised because, he'd been over in America. He'd spoken with Joe Biden last week.
They didn't think he was good enough to be leader.
2017年，当时38岁的瓦拉德卡是爱尔兰历史上上少年，也是头一个公开是当职的总理。2022年12月，伊第2届接任总理。今年1月，甲中国国务院总理李强双边会谈，接受媒体采访时阵表示，爱尔兰承认一中政策，台湾是中国的一部分。根据记者观察，这个讲法应该是伊的失误。公司新闻吴文玲编译。